Ever thought about exploring abandoned buildings or hidden city spots? Welcome to the world of urban exploration, a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. It's a pursuit that's as much about the thrill of discovery as it is about the allure of the unknown. It's about seeing the unseen, touching the untouched, and experiencing the unexperienced. It's about the stories that lie within the crumbling walls and the secrets that echo through the empty halls. But this world isn't just about thrill and adventure. It's a world that can be as treacherous as it is intriguing. The dangers are real and they are ever present. From unstable structures to unexpected inhabitants, every exploration can be a gamble. But worry not. We're here to guide you through the safety measures you need to take. Because in the world of urban exploration, the thrill is in the discovery, but the triumph is in making it home safe. Why should you care about safety in urban exploration? Well, the thrill of urban exploration, or urbex, comes with its share of risks. It's not just about navigating through the unknown, it's about doing so safely. Picture this: you're deep inside an abandoned factory. The air is thick with dust, the floors are littered with debris, and the sound of your own footsteps echo through the vast emptiness. It's an adrenaline rush, no doubt. But it's also a potential playground for dangers you may not see coming. Structural instability, for instance, can turn a thrilling adventure into a disaster in an instant. Hazardous materials, often found in these forgotten spaces, pose serious health risks. And let's not forget about legal issues. Trespassing is a crime, and getting caught can lead to hefty fines or even jail time. These dangers make it crucial to prepare and take precautions before embarking on an urban exploration adventure. The first safety tip: always do your research. Diving into the unknown can be thrilling, but when it comes to urban exploration, it's essential to know what you're getting into. Think of research as your compass, guiding you through the maze of urban exploration. It's not just about finding the best sites, but understanding the legality of your adventure. Some places may be off limits, and trespassing can lead to hefty fines or even jail time. Your research should also include the history of the site. Has it been abandoned for decades or just a few years? What was its purpose? The answers to these questions can reveal potential dangers such as structural instability or hazardous materials. Lastly, look for any recent reports or experiences from other explorers. They can provide real-time insights into the current condition of the site. Remember, knowledge is power and can keep you safe. The second safety tip: never go alone. When venturing into the unknown, the buddy system is your best bet. It's not just about having someone to share the thrill and awe of discovery with, it's about safety. Let's face it, urban exploration can be risky. You might find yourself in a tight spot or a precarious situation where an extra pair of hands could mean the difference between a close call and a call to emergency services. Having a buddy ensures that if something goes wrong, you're not alone. They can lend a hand, provide support, or even call for help if needed. Besides, it's always more fun to share an adventure. You can bounce ideas off each other, share perspectives, and revel in the shared experience. So grab a mate, develop a solid plan, and embark on your journey together. Having a partner not only makes your exploration safer, but also more enjoyable. The third safety tip: dress appropriately. It's not just about style, it's about safety and comfort. Urban exploration is not your typical walk in the park. It's an adventure that can lead you through abandoned buildings, forgotten tunnels, and other offbeat places. Hence, your choice of attire can significantly impact your experience. Think sturdy footwear to protect your feet from debris and to provide a good grip on uneven surfaces. Gloves, not just to keep your hands warm, but to shield them from sharp objects. Choose clothing that's tough enough to withstand some rough handling, yet flexible enough to allow easy movement. And remember, these places can be dusty, dirty, and damp, so wear something you don't mind getting a bit grubby. Layering your clothing can be a smart move too, as temperatures can vary greatly in these environments. And let's not forget a hat or helmet for added protection. Your outfit can be the difference between a successful exploration and a trip to the hospital. The fourth safety tip: bring essential gear. Now, urban exploration can be an exhilarating adventure, but it's crucial to pack wisely. The right gear can turn a tricky situation into a manageable one, and sometimes it can even be a lifesaver. First off, you'll want a reliable flashlight. Many urban exploration sites are dark and shadowy, and a good light source is invaluable. Then, there's the first aid kit. From minor cuts to sprains, having a way to treat injuries on the go can make all the difference. Don't forget your trusty mobile phone. Not only can it serve as a backup light source, but it's also your lifeline to the outside world. Being able to call for help, if needed, is essential. Lastly, consider bringing a multi-tool. This versatile piece of equipment can come in handy in a variety of situations. Remember, urban exploration isn't about taking risks, it's about adventure. Being well equipped is key to ensuring your safety during urban exploration. The fifth safety tip: respect the environment. When we delve into the forgotten corners of our cities, it's crucial to remember that these spaces have a history, a story, and often a fragile ecosystem. Picture yourself as a guest, invited into a time capsule of human endeavor. It's tempting to leave our mark, to say, "We were here." But consider this: our footprints should be memories, not litter or graffiti. Carry a bag for any rubbish you generate. Leave no trace behind. This principle is not just about being a good global citizen. It's about ensuring the survival of urban exploration for future generations. Moreover, avoid damaging the site. Crumbling walls, rusting iron, and delicate artifacts are all part of the charm. They're tangible reminders of our past. Let's ensure they endure for the future. Remember, we're visitors in these spaces. Let's leave them as we found them. To recap our safety tips for urban exploration, let's journey once again through the labyrinth of our guide, reminding ourselves of the landmarks we've marked along the way. We started with the importance of urban exploration safety, a paramount principle that should be etched into the minds of every explorer. It's the key that unlocks the door to adventure, yet ensures we return home safely at the end of each excursion. Then we navigated the avenue of research, understanding that information is our compass in the urban jungle. The more we know about a location, its history, its structure, and its potential dangers, the safer we'll be. Remember, knowledge is your shield and your guide. We moved on to the principle of never going alone. In the close-knit community of urban explorers, the buddy system isn't just a good idea, it's a lifeline. Having a trusted partner can be the difference between a successful exploration and a dangerous situation. Next, we visited the realm of appropriate attire. Dressing for the environment is like donning an armor of protection. Sturdy footwear, long sleeves, and durable pants can protect against scrapes, cuts, and other potential hazards. Our journey then took us to the essentials of gear. A headlamp, gloves, a first aid kit. These are the tools of the trade, the gear that equips us to meet the challenges of the urban landscape. Finally, we found ourselves in the territory of environmental respect. A true urban explorer leaves no trace, preserving the integrity of the location for future adventurers. We're guests in these abandoned spaces, and we should behave as such. In the world of urban exploration, safety is not a destination, but a constant companion. It's the thread that ties all these tips together, the foundation upon which all successful explorations are built. With these safety tips in mind, you're ready to embark on your urban exploration. Stay safe and enjoy the adventure.